Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming two essentials. Your phone has cellular data and tethering is permitted by your plan. Once confirmed, enable Mobile Hotspot on the phone and set an easier-to-type SSID and strong password. Make sure the computer's Wi-Fi adapter is on and scanning. Now you're ready to connect from the computer. Open the Wi-Fi menu and locate the hotspot name you just created. This first step gets the devices visible to each other and secures the link before you proceed. You should now select the hotspot SSID on the computer and enter the password you set. Choose Private Network to allow device discovery if needed. Once connected, verify connectivity by opening a browser. If pages load slowly, briefly disable any VPN on the phone to remove extra routing. For a technical check, run ipconfig or ifconfig to confirm the computer received an IP from the phone and that the gateway is the phone's hotspot address. This step secures proper routing and reveals. To finish, manage power and data. Plug the phone into power and watch cellular usage so you don't exceed limits. If your phone offers 5 GHz hotspot, switch to it for improved speed, otherwise use 4 GHz for better range. Once everything works, pin the network or save credentials for faster reconnection. If you lose internet, a reliable troubleshooting move is to toggle the hotspot off and on, then reconnect the computer. If that fails, restart the phone to clear modem or tethering service issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.